kitchen.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I have a box full of games and it keeps falling off my head. Hello guys! Are you ready to do Paw Patrol puzzles and games and much more puzzles? Are you ready to open this? Whoa. One puzzle of games. And two puzzles of games. And three puzzles of games. I guess so. This one's the domino one. This one's the puzzle game. This one's the matching one. Are you ready to open the domino one first? Look, 7 of them, and look at 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, we both get 7 dominoes.
Oh, wrong! Look.
Okay, now you put your domino down. Okay, now I have to try to find a match to match that. Right there. Okay, now look for your cards to see if you can find Marshall or Zuma.
Oh,
Don't show me your cards.
I got this one.
What's that? Let me see.
It's Everest and Rubble.
Nope, they don't match. You have to find Marshall and Zuma. Take a look. Don't show me your cards. Show me your cards. Just look secretly. Look secretly so I don't see.
Nope.
Find Marshall.
I found Marshall.
Okay, connect him. Connect Marshall together. Yes, thank you. Now I need to find Chase or Zuma. Let me look at my cards. Do we have it, guys? Nope, that's not it. Let's look at the next one. Nope, that's not it.
I found Chase.
Nope.
I found Chase.
Okay, it's my turn though. Nope. I found Chase. Right there. Let's put them together. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. We gotta look at
Okay, now you have to find what's that? Sky or Zuma.
Nope. Nope. I found Sky.
Where?
Right here.
Okay.
And that's
Connect them.
Mama. No, my turn to say the
Now
one.
it's my turn.
Mama, you can only do Rocky on Zuma.
Okay, let's see. Rocky. Ooh, I thought I had 2 of Rocky. I have 2 of them. Look. I
One
have 2
Rocky.
Rocky. Look, then I can do it that way.
No, Mama, you don't
Yeah.
need to do that way.
Yeah, when I have 2 of them, I do it that way. Yes.
Mama,
Okay,
when
now
I
your
have
turn.
Mama, or 2 days, I just do this.
That's right. But first, you have to find Rocky or is that Rocky or Everest?
It's Rocky. No, don't ever rest over there.
Oh, this one looks similar.
Yeah.
Green and green. That's in the middle.
Level on the double.
Yes. Okay, now your turn. Do you have Marshall?
No.
Oh, you must pick more from the pile. No cheating. What do you have? Hey, only pick one. You cannot cheat. What did you get?
I got Everest.
Oh, Everest. Okay. My turn.
No.
I have the last card. I will be the winner if I lay down this last one. But I cannot lay it there or there. Oh no, I don't have it. So I must pick from the pile.
No, I got Sky.
Oh, okay. Put it down then.
Oh, this
draw from the pile. Let's see which one would be a good one. How about that one? I have Marshall. Yay!
Good job.
Marshall.
Yes! I got it! It's done!
You need to have Rocky or Sky.
I got Sky!
Put it on. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, let's see. Do we have it? We have it, guys!
No, Mama, it's my...
It's my turn.